Manipur government has finished the preparation for the state-level 134th Khongjom Day observance, which will be observed at Khongjom War Memorial Complex tomorrow. The observance will be attended by Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla and Chief Secretary Prasant Kumar Singh as dignitaries. Artists from Manipur State Kala Academy will commence the observance by performing Sankirtan from morning. Afterwards, Governor A.K. Bhalla, along with the attendees, will pay floral tribute to the statue of Pongna Brajavasi, along with other warriors who sacrificed their lives for the motherland during Khongjom War. The attendees will also offer tarpon at the Khongjom River for the warriors. Roop Mahal theatre artists will also perform their play titled Khongjom Lal as a part of the observance. The state government has appealed to the public to attend Khongjom Day observance, and they also prepared buses for public transportation. The buses will begin its service from MST Complex, Koidengai, Chingmairong, Porompat, Tera Bazar, Ramlal Paul Higher Secondary School and Directorate of Art and Culture at 6:30 a.m. to Cable Hill, Khongjom. In an official notice, GAD Welfare Section also informed government employees to take part in the observance. They also informed that the employees can board the buses from Manipur Rifle Parade Ground tomorrow morning.